Okay guys, so I just want to do a brief review of our operations chart. This chart was posted in my classroom, and as we are going into just problem solving practice at home and you're going to be required to do strip diagrams, I just want to go and review this chart since we haven't been in school for a while. I'm also going to be posting a picture of this chart in the It's Learning course. So as you can see, I have all 4 operations and all 4 strip diagrams for each. And if you look here, it says need total and there's an arrow. And so that means for addition and multiplication, I am in need of a total. So when I read a word problem and I'm looking for a total, I'm either going to add or I'm going to multiply, okay? For the bottom, for subtraction and division, it says I have a total, okay? So if you are given a total and you are trying to find a missing piece, then you're going to subtract or divide, okay? Then at the top of the chart, it says unequal groups. So for addition and subtraction, I'm dealing with unequal numbers, okay? I do not have groups, I just have numbers. And so then if you have a total and you have unequal groups, then you're going to subtract. If you need a total and you have unequal groups, then you're going to add, okay? For multiplication and division, if you have equal groups, then you're going to multiply or divide. So if you need a total and you have equal groups, then you're going to multiply. And if you have a total and you have equal groups, then you're going to divide. Okay, and so here's what the strip diagrams look like. So for addition, you're going to see that 2 unequal numbers are beside each other, and that is indicating that we are combining those numbers together to get the total that we need, okay? For subtraction, I have a total, I have one of the pieces, but I need the other piece, okay? So this is subtraction, is when you have the total, okay? And in order to solve this, I would need to take the total, subtract what I do know out to get what I do not know, okay? Because remember that the bottom is the total of the entire box. For multiplication, now I have equal groups. I am going to be adding 5 over and over and over again until I get to 17. Okay, so an easier way to do this, if I'm adding the same number over and over and over again, we say the rule is more than 3 times, then it would be 5 times 7 is going to give me the total that I need. Division's a little trickier because in some situations you know how many's in each group, and in other situations you know how many groups there are. Okay, so in division you are given a total. So my total is 85. And I know that there is 5 in each group, but I don't know how many groups there are total. And so it'd be 85 divided by 5, okay? And in this situation, I have the total 85. I don't know how many is in each group, but I know that I have 17 groups. So this would be like if I had 85 Oreo cookies and I had 17 people in my class, how many cookies is each person going to get, okay? And so, like I said, I'm going to be posting a picture of this chart. I just wanted to do a brief review for you and your parents.